Hello everybody! Eto naman tayo sa At Home with Chef Gene. I'm with our guest chef, si Chef Ritz Dizon, who's a graduate of the Center for Asian Culinary Studies. And he's been around, he's become a chef in several ventures. And he's now joining us for a while sa Cafe Isabel until he leaves for abroad. Yan. And today, special to kasi, syempre dumadating yung mga holidays natin. Meron Big Bird ang Magnolia. Okay? May Big Bird. At saka meron yung regular na 1 kilo. Kasi itong Big Bird, mga 1.3, 1.5, 1.4. Malalaking chicken to. So, maraming pwedeng pakainin to. Okay? There's a lot of people that can have this whole roast chicken just for a main course. And if you are not, if you don't have the Big Bird na Magnolia, kasi fatty yan, ang ganda ng juices niyan, you can buy the regular Magnolia chicken and it's just going to be a difference in time pag ginilagay natin to. So today, our recipe is roasted Western chicken. Yon. And we're going to use the air fryer combination. Bakit roasted? Broiled na, roasted pa. Yon. And, okay. So, gagamitin natin, isa-set up na natin. Okay, teka. Pakita ko na sa inyo kung ito yung ginawa namin ni Chef Ritz kanina. Ayan, no? Kasi, kulang tayo ng konti sa oras para maano naman natin. Hindi ko na kayo pahihintayin para gumawa ng roasted Western chicken. Pero kailangan natin yung juices nito at pakikita ko sa inyo ito because we also have to cut the center and I have to show this to you. Kailangan pakita natin to sa inyo. Pakita natin to sa inyo. Gagawa tayo ng bagong chicken para makita nyo how it's done, and then we get the juices after roasting, and yung juices na yan, gagawin natin napakasarap na sauce nyan. So, watch till the end, folks, and you'll be happy with this. Alam nyo, chicken, mura siyang protein, pero napakasarap niya. And wala siyang mga religious parameters kasi manok siya. Okay? So, I used the Big Bird. It's 1.4 kilos and ito lumabas. Okay? But you can use the 1 kilo Magnolia chicken and ito. Difference lang of 30 minutes. Ito, full 1 hour for
1 hour and 30 minutes.
1 hour 30 minutes to. Pero 1 hour tong timer natin, babalik nyo ng 30 minutes uli kung Big Bird ang gagamitin. Pero kung regular chicken lang, 1 hour lang, ang sarap na. Meron na tayong meal. Yun nga, si Chef Ritz is going to prepare and rub the chicken. So, paano ang preparation natin sa pag-rub niyan, Chef? So, rarub na ni Chef Ritz. Lalagyan niya ng mga iba-ibang herbs and spices.
First, Chef, fabricate po muna natin yung chicken.
Okay.
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 Just remove the milk siya. Para mas presentable po yung... Hold here, Chef. Dito po natin papasok yung...
Ah!
Para po ma-intact po yung stuffing natin siya dito sa
Okay.
lalabas.
Ang tawag po nito ay spatchcocking. Okay? This is spatchcocking the chicken. Ipapasok natin para ganun na ganun. Para mukhang luscious at mataba yung chicken. Ayan, oh. Nilagyan niya ng slit yung flaps sa tagiliran. Ito, yung flaps. And then, ipapasok ni Chef Ritz yung, what do you call this? Yung legs. So, very professional ang look, very professional ang technique. Okay.
For rubbing, we have rosemary.
Alright.
Dried rosemary.
Talagang bagay sa chicken.
We have dried thyme.
Okay.
Garlic.
Ingat lang sa time, ha. Pinch lang kasi malakas masyado. Lasang lupa yan pag sumobra kayo. Okay?
Onion powder.
Onion powder. So, rarab natin yung chicken.
Salt shot.
Yes, and the salt. Parang kulang. Dagdagan pa natin. Ayan. Alright. Okay. Lagyan natin ng liquid seasoning. And then, we put more white pepper. Ako, trip ko yan. And lagyan natin ng black pepper. Ako, laging white and black ang gamit ko kasi gusto ko complete ang spectrum ng flavor.
Rub na natin.
Okay. So, habang nirarab at minamassage ni Chef Ritz yan, mamaya aanuhin natin yung pakpak, di ba, Ritz? At saka yung likod, yung isul. Okay. So, gagawa tayo ng stuffing. Alam nyo, gagawin nating stuffing, simpleng-simple. Leftover rice. Yung rice natin, nilagay sa refrigerator. Starch resistant. Okay? Kasi, ni-refrigerate natin o finreezer natin. Ibabalik natin uli ito para lower ang absorption ng calories, okay, ng carbohydrates and sugar. And ayun na po. Yung kanin natin kahapon, lagyan natin ng onion to, gisa natin. So kailangan natin sa stuffing, onion, mushroom, celery leaves. Alright. So we have celery leaves and we put in our mushroom para malasang malasa. Then we put in our rice. Okay? Okay? And eto na. Lalagyan natin ng celery leaves. 'Di ba tinatapon niyo yung celery leaves? Huwag nating itapon this time. Gamitin natin. Okay? Tapos, lalagyan pa natin ng liquid seasoning. Alright? And then, we will put salt and pepper. Here's our liquid seasoning. Yung ating assistant, si Ernie, hihingi pa tayo ng konti pang liquid seasoning para sa ating sauce. Okay, so, eto, sinutay ko na sa butter yung ating rice and mushroom and onion, and we put our wow, ang bango ng pepper. Okay, then we put salt. Alright. And that's our stuffing. Now, itong stuffing na to, kaya gusto ko nilalagay yung kanin dyan. Okay? Kasi, a-absorb niya yung oils ng chicken habang niro-roast. Eh, alam naman nyo, sarap na sarap. Sarap na sarap, lalo na ang Pinoy. Gustong-gusto nila yung merong, to, lalagay ko to sa sauce. Okay? So, for the sauce, meron tayong double A powder, water, tsaka yung liquid seasoning. Ihahalo natin yan. Okay? At saka maganda to, kasi pag gusto pang kumain, meron pang kasunod. Kaya dalawa ginawa natin. Alright? So, papakita sa atin ni Chef Ritz ang pag-stuff ng chicken kasi hindi lang yung looban ng chicken natin ilalagay yung ating chicken, no? Putulin na natin lahat to. Okay. And then, okay. Okay na yan. So, eto naman, yung isul, tanggalin natin yung fat gland. Yung sa taas, oh. Ayan. Tatanggalin natin yung fat gland yan para walang lansa yung manok. Alright? Okay, tatanggalin ko na to. Gugupitin ko na lang. Alright. So, ayan na. Ready na yung chicken for stuffing. And lalagyan ni Chef Ritz, lalagyan natin ng butter pa para lalong maging malinamnam talaga. So, we're putting the rice. Actually, you can put more rice. Nakalagay lang sa ating recipe is 1 cup cooked rice. You can do up to 1.5. Minsan nga, 2 pa eh. Kaya pa eh. Kasi kung lalagyan natin yung mga bandang areas ng skin, okay, bandang areas ng skin, eh, kayang-kaya yan. Okay? Yung iba, kasi mahilig talaga sa rice, ito, pwede pang ipasok dito sa tagiliran hanggang sa thigh. Ito, yung rice, no? Kung talagang gusto nyong i-stop, no? Diyan na lang. Pwedeng kasya naman eh. So, tapos, massage natin ng ma-massage natin ng butter. And because this is a 1.4 kilo chicken, ay siguro, pasok na natin to. This is a 1.4 kilo chicken, ano yun na natin? 1.5 hours ang ating So, 1.5 ikot ng ating timer. And, saan yung tray natin, Ernie? So, yan yung pag-time natin nitong ating chicken. So, ayan na, oh. Oh, ginagano na, kino-cross legs na ni Chef Ritz ang ating manok para mukhang mataba siya. Okay? Magandang collab to Chef.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ngayon.
Hindi, Chef, pwede tayo maglagay ng butter here po sa may
yan, sige.
breast part para po ma-prevent natin yung pag-dry ng chicken. Especially sa breast po pag naluluto.
So, ayan, lalagyan ni Chef Ritz to. Gaganon, aawas yung butter dun sa ating manok. And of course, yung butter, yung oil, hindi sayang yan. because gagamitin natin we're going to use the juices of the chicken for our sauce. Remember, this is a 38-liter air fryer and it has 360-degree hot air technology. Alam nyo, may independent temperature control siya, 60-minute timer, sleek, stylish, ang ganda niya. Tatanggalin ko na lang tong sticker dahil bagong-bago. Ang ganda-ganda niya, and it can roast, it can fry, it can steam if you want to, but it's basically an air fryer and an oven all rolled into one. Yan. So yan, American heritage yan. Napakagandang item and very compact sa kitchen. Biro nyo, nakakapag-convect siya. Nakakaikot siya ng hot air. Okay? Nakakapag-turbo siya at the same time. Okay? So, ito na yung ating this is our chicken. And okay, kung merong nakaganyan yung chicken, ang gawin natin ay pwede nating i-tuck in. Kung hindi na natin itatali, tuck in na lang natin sa ilalim. Alright. Babaliin natin ng konti yung cartilage and we tuck the chicken in. And when that cooks, that just contracts, no? Teka, ayusin natin mabuti. Okay, ito, para natin ginudo yung chicken. O, yan. Jinujitsu lang natin yung chicken. Dapat pala tawag dito jujitsu chicken. Okay? So, there. And then we put our butter. And we're ready to put it in the oven. Unahin natin to. Alright, lagay ko sa pinaka-lowest setting para up and down ang ating heat. And nilagay ko yan to catch our sauces. Okay, and of course, we have already our pre-cooked chicken here. Okay, so, this is our chicken. Init-init pa. And we are going to put our chicken here. Mabilisan to. Op! Mabilis! Alright. There you go. Okay? And ito ang crusting natin, yung caramel. So, ano gagawin natin dito, chef? Scrape natin. Yeah, you can put it here so makita ng ating mga viewers kung gagawa tayo ng sauce ngayon. So, this is our sauce. I'm gonna put some salt, put some white pepper, black pepper, and we're going to cook that into a sauce. Yan. Alright. So, lulutuin natin to into a sauce. Sige. Ibabay natin kasi mamantika eh. Okay? para smooth siya, para maganda siya. Sige, kunin mo na yung caramel natin. Yan. Para smooth at saka yung kulay maganda kasi hindi naman sunog yung ano eh. Maganda yung pagkaka-even talaga. Pantay na pantay yung ano nito, no? So, sineting mo na sa 1 hour to. And nakasetting siya at how many degrees?
I believe sa 175.
175. Okay. So ito, nagbo-boil na yung ating sauce. We put just a little liquid seasoning. And ito na. Lagay natin yung ating AA powder. And we will mix this to create our roasting juices or sauce. And delicious, beautiful. Ayan, no? Okay, so nag-translucent na. Okay, I think we'll just lagyan pa natin ng konti pa. We'll bind a little more with water. A little more AA powder. Ito. There you go. And I think we have our sauce. Konting kulo lang. And meron na tayong magandang roast chicken na meal. Now, that's a sauce. Talagang walang artificial na pure flavor. There you go. There's our sauce. Okay. And eto, surprise. Anuhin na natin yung chicken, biyakin na natin. Okay? Para makita nyo kung ano yung itong recipe na to na roasted western chicken with rice stuffing. Okay? Okay? And ayan na yung rice, oh. So, ito, kakat ko lang. And let's open the chicken up so everybody gets a view of this rice-stuffed roasted chicken. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Ha. Tikman na natin, chef. Ito yung rice muna, yung kanin. Yung lasa ng chicken. Yung juices ng chicken, pasok na pasok. Let's do something from the breast. Oh, yan. Juicy pa rin yung breast, hindi siya tuyo. Normally, pag nagro-roast ng chicken sa bahay, natutuyo kaagad yung breast. Maganda tong natin, cooking method natin. And here's our chicken. Maybe pure or with just a little sauce. Panalo to. Family of 4. That's a good dinner. Very good dinner. And of course, we have to say thank you to American Heritage. Ito pa isang manok natin, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan na, oh. Nagta-tighten na yung skin. Nag-juice up na. We have to say thanks to American Heritage for this 38-liter air fryer oven with French doors. Siyempre, yung butter natin, Magnolia. Massflex and Kitchen Pro for all our cookware and our knives, our accessories. If you want a complete and good, you want good gadgets on your kitchen, take Masterlex and Kitchen Pro. And of course, yung nga, Magnolia Chicken. Okay? Either you get the regular Magnolia Chicken or pagdating ng holidays, get the Big Bird. Get the Big Bird. And don't forget, kakalabas lang ng aking Tropical Cocktails, ang aking book sa National Bookstore. Don't forget to get a copy of this. Thank you very much to Anvil Publishing. And thank you very much all, friends, for watching. Okay? We'll come up with new and exciting and easy to follow recipes. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you to Chef Ritz.
Thank you, Chef.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.